In a world drowning in waste, the consequences of our throwaway culture are all around us. From overflowing landfills to polluted oceans, the impact is undeniable. But amidst this crisis, there lies an opportunity: the transformative power of waste recycling. Every year, millions of tons of waste are generated globally. This waste, if not properly managed, poses a severe threat to our environment and health. But what if we could change the narrative? What if we could turn trash into treasure? What is waste recycling? Waste recycling is the process of converting waste materials into new, reusable products. It involves collecting, processing, and remanufacturing used materials that would otherwise be discarded. Recycling helps conserve resources, reduce pollution, and support sustainable development. The journey of waste begins in our homes, offices, and industries. It is collected and transported to recycling centers where the transformation begins. Here, waste is sorted into categories: plastics, metals, paper, and organic matter. The recycling process: each type of waste undergoes a unique recycling process. Plastics are cleaned, shredded, melted, and molded into new products. Metals are melted down and reformed into new items, conserving precious natural resources. Paper is pulped, de-inked, and remade into new paper products, reducing the need for deforestation. Organic waste is composted to produce nutrient-rich soil, supporting sustainable agriculture. Recycling offers numerous benefits. It reduces the strain on our natural resources, lowers greenhouse gas emissions, and decreases pollution. Moreover, it creates job opportunities and promotes a circular economy where materials are continuously reused. However, recycling is not without its challenges. Contamination of recyclable materials, lack of public awareness, and insufficient recycling infrastructure can hinder the process. Addressing these issues requires collective effort and education. Everyone has a role to play in the recycling revolution. By reducing, reusing, and recycling, we can all contribute to a more sustainable future. Start by separating your waste, supporting recycling programs, and spreading awareness about the importance of recycling. The journey of waste recycling is a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. By turning trash into treasure, we can build a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable world for generations to come. Join us in this vital mission. Together, we can make a difference. Let's recycle for a better tomorrow.